Okay, I was just really in the mood to just play with makeup, unleash my inner artist, as James Charles said, in this gorgeous palette. Yeah. This was the first time that I went to Ulta and it was not sold out. I was like, why are there 5 here? It's normally always sold out. So I had to grab my hands on one of these because it was sold out online too. My gosh. So finally got the James Charles palette and I came up with this makeup look here. Oh, I hope you guys like it, in the mood of spring. And if you guys want to see how I did it, then please keep watching. Hi friends, so first up I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix concealer and I'm using a Morphe blending sponge to get that all over, and then I put some setting powder on it as well. Then I'm taking this bright yellow color in the James Charles palette and I'm going in little baby circles in my inner corner and just pushing that up into my crease area. Then I'm taking this hot lime color and I'm putting that on the inner next part of my eye, whatever the heck that is, and again doing just those smaller circles with a fluffy brush. Oh, Packers, boo. Gotta change that with some blue, baby. This is like cotton candy blue. I think it's so cute. And I'm using a flat brush just because the color is super sharp. And then on this nice little fluffy brush, I am taking this deep purple and just slowly taking my time with it, blending in all of those edges there because we don't want no harsh lines, honey buns. No way, that is butt ugly. And then okay, so this is the step that brings it all together. So to give it that ombre cotton candy full-on unicorn effect, I took that bubblegum pink and just in slow circular little baby motions I am just dragging it over everything. And then I'm taking all those colors and just deepening them up, making them brighter, and then I'm mimicking everything I did on top on the lower lash line. Oh, baby. And then, oh, same thing with that hot pink, baby girl. We taking that orange and we putting it above the yellow. That's what we doing. And, oh, I don't know. It just looks so good. So good. Then I'm taking my Chanel primer because I am fancy. And I'm just putting that on my face, rubbing that in. And again with the MAC Pro Longwear, what is it? Studio Fix Concealer. Squishing that on the sponge and wiping it on my face. And what's awesome about this is that you get to cover up any mistake that you made. And then oh, it is a MAC day. We are taking the MAC. I just mixed some MAC's colors, and then I'm taking the Hoola bronzer and with a dense brush just carving out my lines, honey buns. And just keep calling you guys honey buns. This is a NARS blush in Orgasm. I love it. It's got little gold specks in it. It's cute. And then I forgot to show a picture of it, but this is the ColourPop highlighter, cream highlighter in Wisp. And it's kind of chunky, so a Morphe sponge will just do the trick, honey buns. Honey buns. Then this is the Urban Decay setting spray. And I'm just setting it all in. And I love this lipstick. It's so good. It's like a whipped matte cream. Oh, hold up. Back step. I don't know what eyeliner or lip liner this is. It's from MAC. They're all the same. Just find something that matches your lips. But anyways, this is from Winky Lux. It's a brand new brand. And it's so lovely. All right, guys, that concludes this makeup look right here. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Tag me in any of your recreations or makeup inspo that you have for me in my social media listed at the end of this video and in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, peace.
You look Mardi Gras. You should definitely do that for Mardi Gras.
I should do this for Mardi?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, great.